is my 1994 Honda CB1000, part of Project Big-1, and they were referred to also as a Super 4. I bought this original, I think, in March of 1993. It's a 94, I already said, and it's VIN number 75, so it's kind of cool. Bone stock, except for a half decayed windshield from like 1996.
But everything is stock
and that
there.
Comes off in 2 seconds. Yeah. So
No modifications.
nope, no modifications. The front tire is different. The back tire is different because they were old and had weather checking on them. Brake fluid's been changed a couple of times, probably 3 times, 4 times.
And this, of course, this is what is
And
what is
that's
this
back
little
from
cover?
the early 90s too. That was available for this bike back then. It's not now, because these are long gone for the most part. That's a beautiful handling machine. It for quite some time, I think it had the largest rear swing arm, the aluminum swing arm, in Honda's inventory. It has front forks off of the RC 30, I think. I was tempted to say RC51, but it's the front forks are quick release off of endurance racing RC30s, and 1000cc liquid cooled. I think it's right around 100 horsepower. Does have a hydraulic clutch instead of a cable, which is kind of a, some people don't really care for the feel, but it is like a kind of a higher zoot option on motorcycles, and it's a big clutch. So other than that, yeah,
Excellent. This must be super rare. Now, number 75 off the assembly line.
Yeah.
Fully stock, like literally you've made no modifications to it whatsoever.
No.
Nothing.
No,
The
nothing.
one of the first things people do is, swap out the
Oh yeah, well,
the exhaust.
I'm old too, so yeah, the first thing anyone would do when we were young with a motorcycle like this was always just get rid of the exhaust system. It was like a joke. And at the dealerships, I've been told, the dumpsters at the dealerships would be filled with like the old exhaust systems. But those are a treasure. I had a guy at a Honda dealer tell me a couple of years ago, like in some cases, the original exhaust system's like worth more than the bike,
Wow.
Yeah, so dinner plate sized brakes with 4-piston calipers, and yeah,
Amazing.
She's a nice machine.
And now you moved, so you're not riding this as much, and so you recently
Right, I
picked up this.
basically don't ride this at all, and decided to get into some racing again, and
Racing, yeah,
some
right.
riding again. Yeah, and racing.
Picked the wrong bike for that.
And yeah, believe it or not, the 0 to 60 is down in the 3s with this, so you can keep up with
V-Strom
you
650.
keep up with Model Ys, and but yeah, that's a little bit easier to just yank out every day and use
Yep.
as a utility, right? And,
Sure.
but yeah, that's Sweetums here is
Incredible.
still in great shape. She drinks.
I wonder how many. I wonder. It would be really interesting to know how many of these, because these were only 2 years, right? 94, 95.
Well,
94
yeah,
was.
just this color. 94.
94 was black.
95 was red.
So I wonder how
With
many.
a black cover that was matte.
Right.
Black.
I wonder how many 94 black.
You can if
Completely
you
stock.
Ask one of the AIs or Gemini or whatever. There's it's somewhere in the 400 range.
And you have 75, which
Yeah.
is pretty cool.
Yeah,
Having
that's
it less than
fairly
100, but having number 75 is.
Sure, and the older you get, like if you have a 1978 mint condition, Honda CB900F, they may have sold 18,000 of those.
Right.
But if you have one, even that's rare because of attrition.
Yeah.
Right? People fall, people wreck them, the cat tips it over, whatever. And
Amazing.
yeah, she's in good shape. There really aren't too many
Light's a little
things
bit better on
that.
this.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, let's go riding.
Gee whiz.
Go.
And she hasn't been running in a while. said your haircut came out nice this morning. 32 years old, no smoke when you started.
Amazing. Look how clean everything is.
Yeah, it's like old bikes didn't have the neutral lockout. Guess what used to happen?
What?
You finish filling this with gas. Shoot, 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 shoot. Bike goes
Oh yeah.
and falls over.
I made sure it was in neutral
You see
before.
what I mean?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It won't.
Yeah.
But it used to. When I was young, you start a bike up like that, the thing just goes forward and falls. Yeah, with no neutral.
Has that ever happened to you?
No. What do you think?
Wow, just amazing. It's so nice up here, but
You continuing on with the Beastie here, or you take?
I can ride this if you want to ride it. I mean, I would love to continue, but
it is totally different. Not that easy to get out of here. Hang on. How's she running?
great. Very torquey. It's more torquey than that, you know?
It kind of is.
Yeah.
It's the up top stuff that
Yep.
really